Are you having trouble in having baby? Nearly 27.5 million couples in India actively trying to conceive suffer from infertility. Cherish your dream of parenthood with us, Janitva IVF Center. Now we are in your city, Shillong. Our state-of-art assisted reproductive technology and our team of doctors and embryologists will guide you to realize your dream of parenthood. Consult Dr. ARPITA Sharma, Chief IVF Consultant, Janitva IVF Center, Guwahati. For further details, please contact www.janitvavf.com or contact Janitva IVF Center, Shillong.